for micro, small, and medium enterprises. Last year we won the Manthan Award under the business and enterprise category. At that time, the name is Rural ERP. So we want to bridge the rural-urban digital divide among the enterprise segment. So there are two kinds of people: those who are having, those who are not having. So it's understandable in the enterprise world also. Because of that, affordability not is that people or enterprises are not using the IT tools to manage all their day-to-day activities. So it's a simple cloud-based ERP to manage all your day-to-day activities of your businesses, from sales or production, supply chain, or financial management system or quality control. So that's what the product speaks about. So we want to bridge the divide. So anybody who can semi-literate or semi-skilled, they can start using the product. The product is available in 9 Indian languages initially, apart from English. So all the major 9 Indian languages like Gujarati, Hindi, Punjabi, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam. So the base is in English. So if you want to switch to your local language that can be understandable by you, because India is a different country. It's like a mini Europe. So multicultural, multilingual. Only 10% or 15% of the people know English. So the rest, it's a regional language. It's a vernacular market. So we want to use this product. Anybody can use this product. So if you can speak or read or write your local language, like Hindi, you can start using. Because there is fear of English while adopting the IT or IT related technologies. Because I cannot understand the language, so I am not using it. So why don't we improve that kind of system? That's why we want to linguistic divide or rural-urban digital divide. So we want to fill that. So that's why we started this initiative. And recently we changed the name to Indie ERP. So most of the people think rural ERP only for rural markets or agriculture, that kind of thing. Because it's a business to business or any manufacturing or any retail, they can start using this product and improve their 3 P's: process, productivity, and profit. Ultimately, everybody is looking for that. So you need to improve your process. That leads to your productivity. That leads to increase in your profit. So our business model is it's a cloud-based software. So once you set cloud-based software, there are limitations because the ecosystem is not evolved. The internet penetration is not, PC penetration is not evolved. But one positive advantage is the world is slowly moving into mobile. So people are forgetting the desktop and all. So they carry mobile and they access internet because the mobile first. India is the mobile first country because they start using the internet not in desktop or laptop but in mobile. So we are planning to launch mobile applications for Salesforce or the shop floor management. So they can simply send a SMS to the production manager so that their daily work activity can be updated to the ERP system or supply chain or production management, product lifecycle management system. So that's what our aim. So apparently the challenges comes because of most of the devices won't support Indian languages. So some of the last year winner also they are developing such kind of tools to access Indian language in the mobile, like Reverie language technologies. They are partnering with Samsung and all those things. So you can change the language on the fly. So it can be easily understandable. So there is one challenge actually. And most of the keyboards won't support Indian languages. So then the transliteration comes. So I need to type in English that can be converted into Hindi or Tamil. So that challenges. And the ecosystem, broadband penetration. But again, the government is taking a huge step. The National Fiber Optic Policy, they are going to connect 250,000 village panchayat with wireless broadband. So it's a huge advantage. Maybe down the line 2 to 3 years, the ecosystem will evolve and everybody start using the CRM or ERP or whatever they want. So that's our core aim. So in that sense, Manthan Award will help because it's social and digital inclusion. So we call it EDI, Enterprise Digital Inclusion. So we want to include all the enterprises to the digital platform. So that's our main vision actually, EDI, Enterprise Digital Inclusion. So we are for profit business model. Uh, we have various editions of this Indie ERP. It starts with 9,000 rupees to 39,000 rupees. That's it. Whereas our competitors are 10 times or 100 times higher price margin. But we can survive with this price margin because most of the people think it's very cheap, you are quoting very cheap and all. We can survive, we are happy, customers are happy, then who can ask for that?
It is sustainable.
Yeah, sustainable.